Hey everyone, if you're new to email or need a fresh email account, you're in the right place. Gmail is one of the most popular and trusted email platforms in the world, used for both personal and professional purposes. Today, we will guide you through how to create a Gmail account step by step so we can start communicating, organizing messages, and accessing Google services easily. The purpose of creating a Gmail account is to give us a secure and reliable way to send and receive emails, while also unlocking access to other Google services. With a Gmail account, we can use Google Drive for file storage, Google Docs and Sheets for productivity, YouTube for content access, and many other tools, all with one login. Having a Gmail account also helps us stay organized and keep our information safe with Google's security features. It allows us to connect with schools, workplaces, and online platforms that need an email address. Now let's go through the process in the simplest way, so even if we're new, we can easily follow along. First, open your browser. Go to gmail.com. If we already have an account, we will be directed to the inbox. If not, we need to create a new account. Go to the upper right corner, click on the mini profile, and then click Add Another Account. We will be redirected to the sign-in page. Our task is to create a new account, so click Create an Account. We will see options for different scenarios, for a child, for ourselves, or for our business. Choose the one that fits our needs. For this guide, let's choose for personal use. Enter your first name and last name, then click Next. Fill in your birth year and gender, and then click Next. We can create our own username or choose one of the suggested options. Once the username is available, click Password. Now, create your password. Make sure to confirm the same password in both fields, then click Next. If the passwords match, we can proceed. We may be asked to scan a QR code on our phone for confirmation. Let's scan the QR code on the phone. Once we have verified the phone, we can enter a recovery email or skip this step. After entering the recovery email, click Next. Review the information, and now we have a new Gmail account. And that's how we create a Gmail account. Once the account is set up, we can start sending emails, personalizing the inbox, and exploring all the features Google offers. Don't forget to keep the account secure by setting a strong password and adding a recovery option.